Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Cent currency symbol on your Google Slides mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Cent symbol in Google Slide mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the project, and here I just going to insert Cent symbol, Cent currency symbol. So there is a no symbol present in the symbol of insert option present in the Google Slide mobile. So instead of that, you can use your keyboard. Here I am using Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. So click on this number section first of all, then you just need to long press on the dollar symbol, which actually open the lot of symbols, currency symbols like this. This is a hidden trick. This is the how you just insert Cent currency symbol on your Google Slide, or else you can just click on this equal section, and here also you will find the Cent currency symbol. These are the two ways to insert the Cent currency symbol on your Google Slide mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.